Hey there guys, it's that time of year again, fall, which for me means hunting season. Just finished sighting in my muzzleloader and my rifle. Muzzleloader season starts tomorrow actually. Right now we're at the tail end of archery season. So I am just out today taking advantage of this beautiful weather and doing a little scouting. This is an area that I've hunted for the last 4 or 5 years. So I'm fairly familiar with a lot of it. Definitely not all of it because it's a huge area. Just a beautiful area, part of the province here. Mainly pine and spruce, as you can see. Very sandy soil, as you can probably also see here. Anyway, I'm going to shut up since I'm supposedly looking for deer. And I'm also really hungry, so I'm going to find a spot to maybe make some lunch. And I'll check back in with you guys then. See you in a bit. Boiling up some water for my 3-cheese chicken pasta, and with that I'm going to have a Nescafe mochaccino or cappuccino mocha, which I'm trying out today for the first time, so we'll see how that is. Got my GSI cup, my GSI Soloist Quick Kit here, some water, we're good to go. That was hot. Not bad. Well, it smells good. Looks alright. Guess we're gonna find out.